Hey everyone, welcome back. We have a logo winner. Before I actually share which logo won, I'd like to just thank everybody for voting. There was one logo that I was actually hoping would win, and that's the one that you all chose, so thank you. So the winning logo was number 4 on the voting page. Here it is, check it out. I even had one subscriber that had a t-shirt made for me to cast her vote. That's some serious enthusiasm. Thank you so much, people. It's a lot of fun. I've already changed my channel logo to show the logo that you picked. Everything's updated there. And how cool would it be if someday I had this logo as a van wrap? Thanks again for voting. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. Spring is on the horizon in Minnesota, and I'll be back to actual van build work pretty soon. See you soon.